Hey Ray, thanks again for doing this. Just real fast, here is that's too blurry. Okay, I wanted just to point out the battery charge is not 100% because it's been recharged from the Volta, all right, and then also you can using this mode button right here, you can change it to back to video. So video, photo, time lapse. Yeah, those are the three main settings for the mode. Okay. And then what I did on the game that I did record is that I put the camera lens right in the middle of a chain link diamond. So the diamonds will go like this basically, and then I put that right in the middle of it, and then wanted to get a wide view, as wide of a view as I could, on the uh, from the first base on deck circle angle, so that way you can see the catcher, ideally the catcher, but mainly start with the catcher, and then have, of course, the batter. And from this angle, you get the best information, so you can see the swing and see the batter's techniques. And then you can also cover pretty much out all the way to first base, almost to like the first baseman. Usually is what we can cover. And I ended up using this. It's actually like an ankle wrap, but I use this to strap it to the fence, and that way it keeps it nice and protected, and it gives a little bit of shade. When I had another parent doing their GoPro, the problems they had was that it would get too hot, and part of having this case on, it makes it get hot a lot faster. So that's why I also keep that off. So ideally, we can get it set up in the shade and get that view of the batter and of the field.